Lenovo car Android player. To set your side panel button, okay, full menu, car setting, system setting, factory setting, password 2468, confirm. Okay, scroll down, got a touch study, okay, press start. Okay, power or mute, home, back, volume plus, volume minus, okay, N. So this is setting for side panel touch. Okay, and carry brake, full menu, car setting, factory setting 2468, touch study. This is touch carry brake. Please click on the touch screen at the edge of the red dot position. Okay, so this is for Lenovo car Android player. Video by 1bis. Thank you.